Hi, I'm James. Welcome back to Newegg Now. Here, I'll be talking to you about a very functional keyboard for those of you who do a lot of typing and want that nice, tactile, old-school, clicky-clacky typewriter sound. It's the MK1 87-key mechanical keyboard. So let's take a moment to review the different kinds of computer keyboards that are out there. These days, you're probably more used to using a scissor switch keyboard. Those are the ones that have the thinner keycaps on top. They're often featured on laptops. Scissor switch keyboards are fast, they're quiet, but they don't give much tactile feedback to the user. And of course, the keys on a scissor switch keyboard can wear off, and replacing them can be difficult or even impossible to do. Now, looking at this, a mechanical keyboard, the first thing you'll notice, a big difference with this kind of keyboard, the keycaps are big and loud. So it's not going to be for everyone. Personally, I like hearing that sound. I like this kind of feedback when I'm typing. And it also has some other good advantages. One of those is the keycaps come off easily and they're easily replaceable, meaning if you break one or if it gets worn out, you can swap it. It also means you have a lot of really cool options for customizing your keyboard layout. You can buy different sets of keycaps, which are especially useful if you're a video editor, for example, if you're working with audio editing, if you're an audio engineer, or if you're a gamer too, and we'll get to that in a moment. Now, there are different types of switches in mechanical keyboards, of course. The type of switch underneath the keycap, underneath the stem, that will determine how your fingers communicate with your PC. Gamers often prefer a keyboard with a red linear switch for its sensitive feel. The MK1 keyboard doesn't have that. The MK1 keyboard actually features a blue tactile switch, which is the one preferred by serious typists, and you can see the blue switch here underneath the keycap. But this model has some slight modifications that make it also very good for gaming. The MK1 uses Jixian mechanical blue switches. This is a classic tactile switch with audible feedback. That's that click-clack sound I mentioned earlier. It has 2 millimeters pre-travel, 4 millimeters of total travel, and 60 G operating force. Now, compared to a traditional blue switch keyboard for typists, Jixian's hardware has a faster response time. Along with its 87-key full N-key rollover anti-ghosting, allowing multiple keys to work simultaneously at high speeds. That means no more slip-ups. Every key you touch creates a response you're going to know about, making it ideal for gamers. It has an ergonomic design as per the international standard, and of course, 2 small feet underneath to adjust the height for just the right height for your wrists. Now, it has an RGB lighting system. I can't forget to mention this. It's a really cool feature. Of course, if you're into customizing your PC parts, you'll be pretty familiar with our line of RGB light products. This one gives you a ton of different modes, which are easily adjustable using the function key. So I'll show you an example here by pressing function and cycling through the insert key. You get 4 different modes here. Function home, you get an additional 4 modes. You can also use function page up, function page down, and so on, each giving you 4 different modes. You can also use function and screen for 2 distinct modes on top of that. Function up and down will switch between brightness settings, whereas function up and down, here we go. So function with the up and down keys, you can see we can actually adjust the level of brightness on the keyboard here too. It's really, really customizable and fun to use. Finally, for durability, the MK1 features aluminum and ABS construction along with its 1.8 meter, that's about 6 feet long, cable here. This is anti-interference USB cable, which ensures a really good connection with your PC, and it's built to last. No installation required here, no drivers. It's just plug and play, plug it in and go. So if you're looking for a mechanical keyboard with a little extra responsiveness for your professional life or for your gaming life, the MK1 is worth checking out. Remember to check out the links in the description below to shop for the MK1 mechanical keyboard. Get yours today, along with other RGB mouse pads, gaming PCs, and other cool gear. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share, like, and subscribe to us. For Newegg Now, I'm James Oliver, and I'll catch you in the next one.